Hello students, in the last video we had done the lesson 9 some more festivals in which we had studied about the festivals, what is the importance of festival, and we had discussed about many festivals. So today we are going to do the revision of the same lesson, some more festivals. So we'll see first what we are going to cover in the revision video. Lesson 9 some more festivals revision. We'll be doing the vocabulary from the lesson, the keywords from the lesson, and revision from the textbook and the notebook, and the next last activity. Okay, so before starting I'll show you the photos of the video. Just wait students. Wait a minute students. See, since this is a revision video, I need to show you all the photos. Through photos you'll learn most of the part of the lesson. So this is the map of India. In India there are many states, and people of different religion live here. So there are so many festivals celebrated by different religion like Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh, Parsi, Jains. All are having their own way of celebrating the festivals. Basically, festivals are celebrated on two bases. One is based on the religion and one is the national festival, which means all over India, people from all over India celebrate those festivals. See, you can see celebration of festival in India. Here Shivratri, Holi, then Pongal from Tamil Nadu. This is Sikh people are celebrating Baisakhi. This is the Bihu of Assam. Then this is Eid. You can see. Then this is a festival from northeastern state of India. Then Raksha Bandhan, Ganpati celebration, Diwali celebration. During Diwali we worship God Ganpati, Lord Ganpati, and goddess Lakshmi. Then Christmas. Okay, next we'll see the festivals. As I told you, the Dashera. Now Dashera, during Dashera, what is the story behind Dashera? See, when this is Sita, Mata Sita and Lord Ram. When they were sent in exile in the forest by Mother Kaikai, they got 14 years exile. They had to live in forest for 14 years. That time Ravan, he's a demon king, Rakshas. He kidnapped Mata Sita and took her away in far away place, away away from India. In some place, they had to cross sea, and the place comes after that. That time, while searching, Ram and Lakshman, they were searching for Sita. While searching, they met Lord Hanuman, and Lord Hanuman helped Ram to find Sita. Because Lord Hanuman could fly, he is known as Pavan Putra. Pavan Putra means son of Vayu, air, wind. See, then they could this Lord Hanuman, he could locate that where is Sita Ma, and this demon who was Ravan, he had kidnapped Sita. So Lord Ram killed Ravan, and this shows the defeat of Ravan and shows a victory of good over evil. Then during Navrat, this Dashera only, Dashera is the 10th day, but there are 9 days. Before that 9 days is celebrated as Navratri. And in West Bengal, means people from Calcutta, Bengali people, they worship goddess Durga, Kali. Okay. See, you can see pandal set up during Navratri. This is Durga Puja, they call Durga Puja. Then you can see Diwali, other festivals. I'll just show you. Guru Parv. This is the festival of the Punjabi people. The birthdays of their Guru, Sikh Guru, is celebrated as Guru Parv. Then Sikh people go to Gurdwaras. That is the place of worship, and the place of worship of Sikh people is known as Gurudwara. He is Guru Nanak. Then Jesus Christ was born. This is a festival of Christians, and why we celebrate this festival? Because Lord Jesus was born on 25th December. So we celebrate his birthday as Christmas. Then Christian people, they go to church and offer prayers and they sing carols. See, during Christmas, Santa Claus, you can see Santa Claus. Children are waiting for Santa Claus to give them gifts, so they just hang stockings here so that Santa Claus will come and give gifts to them. See how Christian people decorate the Christmas tree, keep gifts. So beautiful, no? Then you can see Eid. People celebrating Eid. This is the festival of the Muslim. Okay, and Muslim people go to worship in mosque. Eid is celebrated like they keep fast for a full month without eating, without drinking, and in the evening only one time in a day they eat food, and that also in the evening time. And on the Eid day they do the prayers and embrace each other. Then you can see even the ladies offering prayer, Muslim ladies. Then Guru Parv, during Guru Parv, the Punjabi people carry out procession and they pray, do special prayers. They go to, this is the Gurudwara in Amritsar, Golden Temple. Very beautiful. You can see back. When you go to Punjab, please visit. Next is 1 minute. I'll show Dashera. This Ravan, Meghnad and Kumbhakarn, they are burnt. The effigy of Ravan, Meghnad and Kumbhakarn is burnt to show that victory of good over evil. Then during festivals we give sweets to people who are coming to our house, or we take sweets to our friends and relatives' house. This is the festival of Pongal from Tamil Nadu. They prepare a special dish from rice and jaggery. Jaggery means good. This is the boat race festival from Kerala. On the Onam day, they do the boat racing. This is Guru Parv. During Guru Parv, they take the procession. How during Ganpati we take procession, we dance, sing, throw gulal on people, and put loud music and dance, isn't it? Same way here they don't dance, but they say prayers and take the procession. Now, national festival. National festival means festivals which are celebrated throughout the country. Now, this is in India. Like 15th August is celebrated. Our Prime Minister, he hoists a flag from Lal Killa. Lal Killa is in New Delhi. That is the capital of India. And then he gives the speech for the country. People of for the people. Okay. See, you can see he's hoisting the flag. The Prime Minister is hoisting the flag. He is giving speech from the Lal Killa to the people. And this is relayed on the TV news channels. You can see it live also. Now during Pongal, they make nice rangolis. During Diwali also we make rangoli. During many festivals nowadays we make rangoli. During Pongal, people of Tamil Nadu, they worship the cow. They worship the Lord of Rain, that is Indra, Lord Indra, and Sun God Surya Dev. During 26 January, parade is carried out in Delhi. This parade is of with the bike, and then here you can see soldiers marching. This is Rajghat. When Gandhiji died, his body was kept here. So here the Prime Minister is worship, doing prayer for honest. I think so. This is the death anniversary, but on birthday also we pray. This is Gandhiji. He is called as the father of the nation. When you go in higher class, you learn more about him, what work he did for the country. You can see parade. You can see parade. People of different regiment, they do the parade. See here. In school, when you go in second, you can see the parade on 15th August and 26th January. Gandhiji. This was his favorite this wheel, spinning wheel. Now Diwali festival. During Diwali festival, we decorate our house, we make rangolis, we bring gifts for others. Diwali, we put up lantern. It's a festival of lights, no? So lighting everywhere. This is Onam festival, celebration of Onam festival. Ladies, they make rangolis with flowers, colors also. This is Diwali festival, Holi festival, festival of colors. You should see to it that you are not using harmful colors and not using dirty water, and not to use plastic. Avoid plastics and all. That is spoiling doing pollution in our environment. Then there are some more festivals which is not mentioned in the book. This is the festival of the Parsis, that is Pateti. Pateti means the new year of the Parsi people. Okay, it will come in question answers. So you can see their dressing style. Then this is a festival of the Punjabi people, Sikh people, Baisakhi. It is a harvest festival. Then you can See colors during Holi, and during Rangoli we use colors. During festivals, mummy prepares special varieties of food. During Ganpati, during Diwali, and Christian people also prepare special types of food during Christmas. See, during Diwali, mummy is making special food. Yes, you like it, no? Now Pongal celebration. I've explained what they are preparing. Then this is the Gudi Padwa, New Year of the Maharashtrian people. Ganpati festival. Normally this comes in the month of September. Yes, and then we enjoy the festival a lot. This is during Navratri. We worship goddess Durga and play Garba. See here, they are so happy with the costume, Garba costume. Then this is Lohri, festival of the Punjabi people. You can see they are so engrossed in dancing and playing music. Then Govinda, that this comes during August time. The Janmashtami, Daihandi. Yes. And festivals, when we celebrate all these festivals, what happens? We feel happy, and we wear new clothes, we prepare special dishes at home. Then we come to know the culture of other people. We start respecting their culture, how they are celebrating, how they are doing puja. So we learn so many things from festivals. Okay, now we'll go to the vocabulary words from the lesson. Festivals, many spellings may be a repetition, but no problem. If you practice, it will make you perfect. So festivals celebrate enjoyment, friendship, religious, victory, Dashera. Why I am reading it? So that you will also understand how to pronounce it. Pronounce it means कैसे बोलने का वर्ड को. नवरात्रि, दिवाली, क्रिसमस, चर्चेस, रमज़ान, फास्टिंग, एम्ब्रेस, गुरुद्वारास, गुरु पर्व्स, स्प्रिंग, ओनम, पोंगल, प्रोसेशन, इंडिपेंडेंस डे, रिपब्लिक डे, महात्मा गांधी, and hymns. Okay, so now how to learn the spelling? By breaking the word. Festivals, fes, F-E-S, festi, T-I-T, vals, V-A-L-S, festivals. Celebrate, C-E-L-E, celebrate, B-R-A-T-E, brate. Then enjoyment, enjoy spelling, E-N-J-O-Y, ment, M-E-N-T, ment. Friendship, friend spelling, F-R-I-E-N-D, friendship, S-H-I-P, ship. See, we are learning big words also easily. Religious, really, R-E-L-I, really, G-S, G-I-O-U-S, G-S. Victory, Vic, V-I-C, victory, T-O-R-Y. Initially you may make mistake, but later on you will learn it. Okay, don't worry about it. Dashera, Dash, D-U-S-S, Hera, H-E-H-R-A, Dashera. Navratri, Nav, N-A-V, Nav. Ratri, R-A-T-R-I, Ratri. Then Diwali, D-I-D, Wali, W-A-L-I, Diwali. Christmas, Chris, C-H-R-I-S, Chris. You can write Christ, T silent here, and Mas, M-A-S. Churches, Church, C-H-U-R-C-H, and E-S. This will help you in grammar also later on. Ramzan, Ram, R-A-M, Ram. Zan. There are two spellings. They have given Ramazan there, but it is Ramzan. Fasting. Fast. F-A-S-T. Fast. Ing. I-N-G. Ing. Embrace. M-E-M-M. Brace. B-R-A-C-E. Embrace. Then Gurudwara. Guru. Guru spelling G-U-R-U. Guru. Gurud. D. Varas. W-A-R-A-S. Varas. Then Guru Parvs. Guru. G-U-R-U. Guru. Parv. P-A-R-V. S. Purvs. Spring. S-P. Sp. Ring. R-A-N-G. Spring. Onam. O-N-M. N-A-M. Nam. Pongal. Pong. P-O-N-G. Pongal. P-O-N. Pongal. G-L. Gal. Procession. Pro. P-R-O. Pro. Session. Ses. And Shun. I-O-N. Processions. Independence Day. In. I-N. In. D. Pen. Pen spelling P-N. Pen. Dance. D-E-N-C-E. And Day. D-A-Y. Day. Republic Day. R-E. Public. P-U-B. Pub. Lick. L-I-C. Lick. Day. D-A-Y. Mahatma Gandhi. Maha. M-A-H-A. Maha. T. Mahat. Ma. M-A. Ma. And Gandhi. Ga. N. Dhi. D-H-I. Certain spellings you just learn it. Hymns. Hymn. H-Y-M. And S. When you say hymns, N-S. Okay. So we are finished with the vocabulary. Now keywords. Religious festival means festivals based on religion. Religion you know now. Hindu, Muslims, Christian, Parsi, Sikhs, Jains. Now national festival means festivals which are celebrated irrespective of religion in the country. Like all religions celebrate that particular festival in the full country. I told you example like 15th August, that is Independence Day, Republic Day, then Gandhi Jayanti, then Teachers Day, Children's Day. Like this, many big leaders' birthdays also there. That also we celebrate as national festival. Fine. Then we will do the. Sorry, I forgot to say sivai. Sivai is a sweet dish made from milk and vermicelli. Then spring season means season in which flowers and trees begins to grow again. Means during winter the trees shed the leaves, all the leaves fall down, and then in spring again new leaves come, new flowers bloom. So that is known as spring season. Now we'll do the revision from the textbook. Here match the column. Now Christmas 25th December, Republic Day 26th January, Independence Day 15th August, Gandhi Jayanti 2nd October. Don't mug up, just remember, just see the picture that Christmas means 25th December, then Republic Day 26th January, Independence Day 15th August, Gandhi Jayanti 2nd October. Like this you should remember, so you will not forget anything. And no mugging up. Now name the following. You have to name what it is. The festival of light, Diwali. The festival of colors, Holi. The harvest festival of Kerala, it is Onam. The harvest festival of Tamil Nadu, Pongal. The month of fasting before Eid, fast, it is Ramzan. Now write true or false for each statement. Dashera comes after Diwali. So after Diwali Dashera is coming? No. So it's false, this festival. Dussehra is coming in October and November. So they are saying after Diwali. So it's false. Holi is a spring festival. Yes, it is based on season. So spring season, Holi is there. So true. We eat Sivai on Eid. So on Eid we eat Sivai. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated only in some parts of India. False. Gandhi Jayanti, he is the father of the nation, country. So full India is celebrating it. So it's false. Whatever is written is false. People have a snake boat race on Pongal. On Pongal they are having snake boat race? No. So it's false. False. Now we have to see the picture, whether if the picture and the name is say right, then you can put right or wrong. Now Christmas, this is Christmas? No, so wrong. Republic Day, this is Republic Day? No, this is Christmas, wrong. Independence Day, yes, at the Red Fort, Independence Day, the Prime Minister hoists the flag, so it's right. Eid, this is Eid? No, so wrong. Diwali, yes, this is Diwali, so right. Dussehra, this is Dussehra, this is Eid, so wrong. Now students, in this some festivals are there. Lohri, festival of the Sikh people. Baisakhi also festival of the Sikh people. Bhai Dooj, festival of the Hindu people. Easter is the festival of the Christian people, and Bihu is the festival of the Assami people from Assam. So you have to locate it where it is. Lohri, so you can see Lohri. Lohri. Then Baisakhi is not there. Bhai Dooj, here you can see Bhai Dooj. Easter is here, and Bihu is here. Okay, now we'll see from the notebook. Some more festivals. Answer the following. Name some religious festivals. So Diwali, Christmas, Eid, Guru Parv, Samvatsari, Pateti are the few religious festivals. I showed you from all pictures. I forgot to show you Samvatsari. This is a festival of the Jain people. They keep fast, no, for many days. It comes during when we are having Ganpati. That time only they are having this Samvatsari festival going on. Some national festivals. Now national festival means full country celebrating. Which is that? Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Republic Day are some national festivals. So I'll send the photo of this when this video will come. That time I'll send the notes of this, okay, on WhatsApp. Now fill in the blanks. On dash Lord Rama defeated Ravan and gained victory. When? Dussehra. A sweet dish called dash is prepared on Eid day. So Eid day, which sweet is made? Sivai. Christmas is celebrated on dash on 25th December. Dash is an important festival for the Parsi community. I showed you the picture, no? So Pateti, that is a new year for Parsi people. Onam is the chief festival in Kerala, that snake boat. Okay, that is Onam. So we have finished with our revision from the textbook and notebook. Now it's activity time. There is two activity. First, write few sentences on your favorite festival by answering the questions. See, you have to answer this question, and you can make write few sentences about your festival which you like, your favorite festival. It may be Ganpati, it may be Diwali, Holi, any. So which is your favorite festival? Write the answer. My favorite festival is so and so. When is it celebrated? Means it is celebrated in the month of dash. You write it. How you involve yourself in the festival? I involve myself in the festival by participating in competition, by participating in the puja, dance, whatever. Which other celebrations takes place in your neighborhood? You have to write in my neighborhood, in your neighbor, or in your area, in your building. Which other festivals are celebrated? You have to write it. Okay. Now next activity is very interesting for you. Draw and color. Here you have to draw a rangoli and color it. Okay, for example, I'm just coloring it. You can use your own this ideas. You can put different colors, rainbow colors, any color, so it will become very nice multicolored rangoli. Fine. So you'll enjoy coloring also. You will learn something drawing also, and your creativity will come out. When you participate in festivals, your creative ideas comes no out, means in the form of some competition when you take part. Then I'll just color it blue. Then light blue here. So it's interesting, and your drawing skills will also develop, isn't it? And you will get enjoyment. Main thing is you'll get enjoyment. When you are happy, you feel like doing all the work, whatever, whether it is studies or it is games, playing, or enjoying time with your parents. Then now diyas I will not color because it's already time up. We are going beyond the time. This lesson was a very lengthy lesson, and it took really more time for this lesson. Okay, so you can use your creative ideas. So we are finished with this lesson. Okay, thank you students.